Welcome to my new video, in Electrical Panel and Maintenance. Electrical Safety Essentials. Electrical safety, at home. Home is where we feel the safest, but without proper precautions. Electricity in the home can pose serious hazards. In this video, we'll cover essential electrical safety tips to keep your home and loved ones safe. Electrical equipment at home. Essential tools. Preventive measures for safety. An electrician examining the circuit breaker, outlets, and wiring. Use always proper power source. How can you stay safe from electricity? General safety guidelines. Here are some general guidelines to follow for electrical safety. Use appropriate equipment. Always use appliances, cables, and tools that are certified and in good condition. Avoid overloading outlets. Plugging too many devices into a single outlet can cause overheating. Keep electrical devices away from water. Water conducts electricity and increases the risk of electric shock. Turn off devices when not in use. This reduces the risk of electrical fires and conserves energy. Replace damaged cords and plugs. Exposed wires or damaged plugs can lead to shorts or shocks. Safety precautions in different environments. Safety precautions at home. Install ground fault interrupters in wet areas, like bathrooms and kitchens. Keep cords out of reach of children and pets. In the workplace, ensure all equipment is properly grounded and use lockout/tagout procedures during maintenance. On construction site, use insulated tools and wear personal protective equipment, PPE, like rubber gloves and boots. Let's look at some practical steps to ensure safety when dealing with electricity. Checking the live wires. Before working on any circuit, always test for live wires using a voltage tester. Let's look at some practical steps to ensure safety when dealing with electricity. Safe plugging and unplugging. Hold the plug, not the cord, when disconnecting devices. Pulling the cord can damage the wiring. Electrical safety hazardous due to improper handling. Important safety precautions. Avoid overloading outlets. Plugging too many devices into a single outlet can cause overheating. Important safety precautions. Always use heat-resistant gloves for handling food items in the oven. Most of the time, electricity is your ally. But you also risk being hurt if you don't know what to do in dangerous situations involving electricity. Here are a few reminders to ensure your safety around electricity. Never climb a tree that is near power lines. Look up before you climb. Fallen power lines can still be live. Stay at least 10 meters clear of them, warn others, and call electrical department. Don't put drinks or other liquids on or near electric appliances. Water and electricity are a lethal combination. Never put a metal object into a toaster. Electricity can travel through the metal to your body. Don't leave cables trailing. Not only can they pose a trip hazard, but they might also be tempting for pets seeking something to chew on. Remember to unplug charging cords when not in use, and never piggyback or overload power points to stay safe. A recap: everyone should remember what to do to stay safe around electricity. Electricity is helpful in many ways, but can also harm people and properties. Possible electrical hazards at home and in workplace. Plan your to-do list to keep you and others safe from electricity. Thanks for watching my video. Remember that staying safe with electricity begins at home. Like my video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on electrical lessons and updates.